Hi everyone, welcome to Connected Technologies. Today I am going to explain one of the important interview questions which we get frequently in our interviews. So that is, what is your client or customer enterprise structure? What is your client or customer org structure? Okay, so whenever we are giving the interviews suddenly we may ask, may know your current client enterprise structure, may know your current client org structure. Can you please explain the enterprise structure of your client or customer for the current project? Like that, they will ask. Okay, so today I'm going to provide the beautiful example. Here I'm taking an example of Airtel. So this Airtel is just an example for better understanding. So it's not an actual client. For example purpose, we are using this company. Okay, let's go and have a comment. This is very important. Let's see here. So here I'm mainly explaining if in case interviewer asked, is it possible to maintain the sorry, you can say like this. How many primary ledgers we will maintain within the country? So most of the people they may have a yes only one primary ledger per country. Yes, that is correct only. But here I am going to show in a different way how many ledgers we will use within the country on which basis they are going to use. I will explain here in detail. Let's see that. Okay. So if you take Airtel, they have operations in India, and apart from that, they have in different countries, almost 15 countries. I think they have operations. I believe. Let's take India is the head office for those 15 countries also. Okay, in India, as per my knowledge, uh, they have operations in all the states. Let's see here. So sorry. So they have a operations in India. So that is the reason why they are into main telecommunication related business. Okay. So tele operator. So in this case, I created Airtel Telecommunications India Primary Ledger as a my primary ledger for India. So within that, they have a mobile tower, 8 tower locations. For example, we have a Gurgaon one tower, Bangalore we have one tower, Telangana we have one. So as for example, I'm taking this, but in real world they may have a 400, 500, then that also. But you know, right? So most of the states, cities, locations, they have their own mobile towers. So in this case, let's assume here. So but, for each legal entity, each location which they have a multiple telecommunication related operations. If you see here, we have a Bharti Airtel. This legal entity mainly they are dealing with all telecommunication related activities like mobile phones, the cell tower related activities. This entity it will handle. So next we have a Bharati Telemedia Limited. This is mainly DTH services. So we know that TV DTH service. So that services they will do. Next we have a Indo Towers. So this Indo Towers, what it will do? This Indo Towers, it will do the two kind of businesses as per my knowledge. They will do the mobile tower leasing, and this Airtel related. What are the network tower we should build, right? The spare parts, the equipment, everything it will manufacture from here. From there they will sell to within their internal org called Bharti Airtel, and they will do the leasing also. That means they can build the towers in multiple locations. So the operators we have right India like Jio, Airtel, Vodafone, and other BSNL, whatever it be, any other network, Idea, VI, whatever it be. So these uh, operators, if they have a limited customers in that particular place, they couldn't able to build the tower. So already new towers are there in a specific location. They will just install their signals and they will pay the rent on monthly basis to the towers. Okay. So like that. So this kind of business they will do. So this is for purely telecommunication. That means they have their own towers. They will install it and they will give the signals to the customers wherever it is required. This is for a DTH service. Like we have that televisions, right? TV, DTH services. So this is for leasing to prepare that manufacturing related, tower related parts and all. Next we have a to book this individual legal entities to the in our books. We propose the company. It's like 1,000 for Bharti Airtel Limited and 1,001 for Bharti Telemedia Limited, 1,002 for Hindu Towers Limited. So and associated LE wise, again we created a business unit. Like if you see PAL means Bharti Airtel Limited, home Haryana BA. It's there in Gurgaon location. This tower. That is the reason why I choose this name. Then next we have a this entity is doing the DTH service, right? DTH home Karnataka BA. It is there in Karnataka, and we have a Telangana. So this is for Hindu Towers, right? So the cell towers and the spare parts leasing and all they will do. That is the reason why I created like this B. So we have a one primary ledger. We have operations in multiple location. Each location is we have a three legal entities. Under that we have a associated the company code and balance segment values and then business unit. So see here, these legal entities are permanent. They will not go and extend in future also. But going forward, whenever they install the any mobile tower, any new connections, it is happening in this particular three legal entities. Under that, they will increase the company code and be used. They will not go and create these legal entities again for each location wise. These three locations, India, they have a three legal entities. That's it. Under that, they have a we have almost 500 plus towers, 500 locations. They have a business unit, 500 company codes. We have 500 business units. We have, but they will not go create like this example. You cannot imagine. Yes, we have a 29 states, 29 legal entities agreement. No, guys. Okay, these three legal entities are permanent, fixed. Under that three legal entities, how many locations, how many states they are operating, those many company codes it will come, those many BUs we will create, and associated inventory acts we will create. Haryana inventory act, Karnataka inventory act, Telangana inventory act. Under that inventory act, we will create the associated sub inventory acts. Haryana sub inventory act, Karnataka sub inventory act, Telangana sub inventory act, and then associated locators we will create depends on the requirement. Okay. So again, I'm repeating. So this is mainly doing telecom related company. Under that title, they have only three legal entities related to telecom businesses, but they have a multiple locations. They have a towers. In India, we have a 29 states. So each state 29 or 27, I couldn't remember exactly. Okay, let's assume 29. So in this case, uh, uh, they have a mobile towers in all the locations. So that is the reason why they will not go and create all 29 legal entities or 27 legal entities subject to correction. I couldn't remember exactly. Okay. So in this case, they register their entities only three related to telecom. These are the features. Under that, wherever state there wherever they need to install the mobile tower or locations or any stores, so that will be created those many BUs and then company codes, inventory rack and sub inventory racks and locators they will create depends on the requirement. They will not create again and again for each location wise legal entity. These are the fix. That's it. They have a three legal entities. It is registered companies. So under by using these three legal entities only, telecommunication related towers and all, if they are expanding within India, they are created those many BUs company codes. DTH related services they expand within India, that they will add those company codes, BUs, legal entities, sorry, inventory and sub inventory. Leasing and Hindu Towers related any manufacturing plant if they are registered or if they started any other plant, that also it will be registered under this particular Hindu Towers legal entity only. They will go and track it. They will go and put the record of the transactions. Okay, they will not go and create again for 29 states for 29 legal entities, 29 BUs and all. Yes, BUs they have almost 500 plus BUs they have, but they have only three legal entities. Company code also they have each BU wise or each tower wise they will create. Simple. Each tower wise we have a one business unit and associated company code. That's it. But legal entities are three. It's a constant. Okay. This is all about Airtel case in a telecommunication business. So in the beginning, I asked a question. So is it possible to create two primary ledger for within the country? Yes, we can create. So in Airtel, if you take another thing, they have a fintech business. Airtel Fintech India Private Limited. Sorry, Airtel India. Sorry. It's a fintech, right? Yeah. So Airtel Fintech India Private Ledger. This is the another second ledger which we can create in a Airtel case within the India. So usually you guys may seen, you guys may heard, yes, we have one unified primary ledger for each country, for any customer. No, yes, we have options to create a multiple primary ledgers within the country also. If you see here, they want to track all the telecommunication related business in one primary ledger, and fintech related businesses they want to take it track in another primary ledger. Let's see wherever they have fintech related offices. Mumbai they have one office, Chennai they have one office, Delhi they have one office. These are the related fintech. What is that fintech? Let's see here. So fintech related, they registered the associated, the respect to fintech registered legal entities. What is first one main Airtel payment banks. Airtel thank you are seeing, right? Even nowadays we are getting the SMS, WhatsApp messages, so they will provide the personal loan, digital personal loan. So it was offered by the Airtel. It depends on your CIBIL score, you will get these messages. So in this case, this is doing the digital payment bank. This they don't have any physical banks in India. They have very rare store level, they will maintain the banks and all, but they will not maintain the physical banks. It's a digital bank. So they will do the all financing related act. That is the reason why we call it as a fintech business. This is a separate business. Here they are doing the telecommunication business. Here they are doing one more business within the Bharti Airtel arc only. They are doing these things. Okay. So in this case, to they want to track the fintech related business separately. That is the reason why we will create Airtel Fintech India Primary Ledger. So the next one we have a uh, Nextra Data Limited. So this Nextra Data Limited, what it will do, it will do the all IT related services like employees, mean software company. So Airtel they have own software office which is there in Chennai or Mumbai somewhere. In our example, it's a office. It's there in Chennai. So for entire Airtel, they will give the IT services from this unit only. Okay, it's a software company, Airtel related one. So the next they have a Bharti AXA Life Insurance. This is also insurance company. It looks like similar to fintech activities and all. It will happen. So these these three entities are different sectors compared to telecom. So that is the reason why Airtel they want to maintain separate primary ledger fintech related entities. So that's where we can create a separate primary ledger within the India. So if you see here, so we have a locations, office location, these three locations. Each location we have a different kind of business related entities, like it's a Airtel payment bank, it's an extra data limited for IT related service, this is for insurance service. So the remaining thing as usual come. We can create to record the transaction against Airtel payment bank. We propose 2000 company code, extra data limited for 2002, Bharti Access 2003. So the same way we can create the business units, APBL by Maharashtra BU, and the next turn TN Tamil Nadu BU, and AXA NCR Delhi BU. So these are the BU units which we can create against each legal entity, and then we can create the associated inventory orgs. Maharashtra inventory org, Tamil Nadu inventory org, Delhi inventory org, and sub inventory org. This is the Maharashtra sub inventory org. This is Tamil Nadu sub inventory org, Delhi sub inventory org. So as I mentioned, depends on the requirement, they will create locators. Okay. So here also say these three legal entities are constant. If they are expanding the offices in multiple locations, maybe future in Pune they may expand. They will not create one more legal entity, guys. These are the nature of business wise. They created these legal entities. Under that, if you have a multiple states, multiple locations, if you have operations, then accordingly we can increase the company codes, business units, inventory, sub-inventory, and locators. But these legal entities are constant. If they have a different kind of business, they may be into retail sector. maybe after 2 years, 3 years. Then that new legal entity it will come under the SAR. But they will not go and create a separate BU for a retail because it's a different kind of sector. No, I want to maintain the retail related under the same or same legality. If they have a permissions, government, everything, it's okay. Then they will register creating a simple company called BU. They will register under inventor, subinventor. They will maintain. Okay. So this is completely any architecture. If you take like Toshiba case, um, MDH case, GE Digital case, Akshay Patra case, and then this Airtel case. It's a completely depends on the client, customer, how they are operating their business in that particular country, state, or location. Accordingly, we can design the respective architecture or enterprise structure. Okay, we cannot say yes. We should use only single primary ledger. We should use only one legal entity or multiple BU, multiple legal entities. No, it's a complete depends on the customer requirement that we should understand. Okay, so don't buy hard the any architecture, any customer enterprise structure. This enterprise structure, architecture, it's complete depends on the business how they are operating that respective country, state, or location. Accordingly, we can design in the real time. So most of the people, students, simply they will buy hard as per the Oracle enterprise structure. We have enterprise under that we have a primary ledger, legal entity, business unit, inventory, sub inventory like that. Yes, that is correct only, but Oracle is given one solution. This is the way you can implement. But depends on the customer and client requirement, how their business is going, their operations and day to day, daily day to day. Accordingly, we can design the solutions. Okay, it's not our decision or a Oracle decision. It's a complete customer client decision. How they want to use how they are to record their transactions. Accordingly, we can design the interface structure. Okay. So I hope I explained very clear the different clients, different examples. If you like this video, please give thumbs up and please share this videos, the good information videos to your friends and colleagues so that they can also understand how the design, how the structure it will be there. Okay. So yeah. So I hope it's very clear for everyone. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe the Connectra YouTube. Sorry. Please subscribe the Connectra Technologies YouTube channel for more quality education. Okay. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Bye.